Hi friends, today we will discuss about 10th class real numbers. Real numbers introduced by Richard Dedekind and George Cantor. What are the uses in real life real numbers? It is used for financial calculation. Example, budgeting, interest and taxes, discounts. They are essential for managing money, navigating distances, reading health matrices, and cooking. For example, cooking. Baking and cooking require precise amount of ingredients. Distance and speed. Measure kilometers, drive on a road trip, flight distances and vehicle speed. Health, body matrices, blood pressure, cholesterol levels. Medicine, dosage, etc. uses learned for real numbers in real life. Introduction. Natural numbers. It's denoted by capital N. Natural numbers, first letter is N. Natural numbers denoted by N. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Infinity means undefined. Natural numbers, it's a counting numbers. In natural numbers, least number is 1. In natural number, highest number is undefined, infinity. Whole numbers, first letter is W. It's denoted by capital W. W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. The natural numbers along with 0, it's a whole numbers. In whole numbers, the least number is 0. Highest number is undefined, infinity. Next, integers. It's denoted by Z. Why? Because integers introduced by, why? Because means introduced by Jahlan, integers. That's why it's denoted Z. Z equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Here also infinity, minus infinity. Whole numbers and negative numbers both are the integers. Here no least number, no highest number. Next, rational numbers. It's denoted by Q. Q equal to P by Q. It's a form. P comma Q belongs to Z. Z means integers. Q not equal to 0. This is the rational numbers form. It's denoted by Q. Why? Because its division depend on quotient. For example, divided by 2, 8. Here 4, 0. Next, 5 divided by 2, 2.5. It is a terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. Next, 5 divided by 3, 1.666. It's comes 66. That's why it's a non-terminating recurring decimals. One formula is it terminating or non-terminating. Terminating. How to know means that formula P by 5 power m or P by 2 power n or P by 2 power n into 2 power m. These are terminating decimals.